central. Something like this for the central generator, the main generator, the central one. So it will be a casing like this. We will have a breaker like this. Like this breaker now will be serving one of the block. This breaker now will be serving your building. This one will be serving other buildings. So all the buildings, their breaker will be in this will be controlled through this side. While the main generator will just feed all these breakers here. From these breakers here to feed the whole building. So something like this for the main generator. It's a very big panel.